All right, everybody. So, a little recap. Today is January, February, March, April, May 27th. I don't really know what my last video was. I don't remember, but trading recap. This is what's been going on. So today, I caught this pretty nice trade. Bias was bearish. I mean, as this 4 hours forming, it was a doji at all-time highs and high time frame SMT. Hourly doji. Look at this. I was just bearish, especially with just, looking at market open at 9:30 at this. I was like, we're gonna go to these lows, maybe these lows, maybe these lows, and so on and so forth. So I was bearish. I didn't take anything this whole time. We rebalanced up. We touched into a 15-minute fair value gap right here. So this is a 15-minute fair value gap that we tapped into, right here. Slight accumulation, accumulating orders to the lower. I like that shit. So what did I do? We got a CISD right here, right? Now maybe you've entered, or maybe you entered here, like off the CISD. Maybe you entered right here. That was weird. Uh, I don't know if you would, actually, I think you might have gone break even, but I mean, this is definitely a re-entry. But I entered, I don't know, somewhere around here. I entered before this huge displacement, so maybe something like that. My stop loss was this high. I did not enter. I think my stop loss was I want to say it was 30 something points. I don't know. But we had a CISD. We had this fair value gap. I was like, if price taps into this fair value gap, I'm gonna go short. We got into it. I was like, I'm going short. So I did. So really quick. Execution. So I entered with, I think I only entered with three or four. I entered with four micros at 31. So somewhere on this candle's wick, somewhere there. 31? Is this like 30 some points? Yeah, oh, it was 26. Well, I had it a little bit above that. But I entered four there, and then I had first TP was here. Second was, I thought there. Oh, it was there. Bam, bam. So first TP, second TP. Let me draw it out like this. First TP, second TP, main TP was this 4 hour gap here. Where did this find it? Okay. So first TP, second TP, third TP. The fourth contract got stopped out in profit. So in total, this was a almost 5R trade. And I took the same thing on trading or these accounts. But I got out a lot earlier because at the time there was an SMT with this low. And just to lock in profits, because this is, I don't know, I could have scaled some and then held, but for some reason, I'm trading these two funded accounts from Alpha Futures, like the challenge accounts. Whether that's for good or bad, it's to be determined, but we'll see. But so this was, I think 14, so seven each, I think. I each called it. Oh, it was 10. It was 10. So we're at six. So let's see what my P&L is for the day. 593 plus Top Step is like 610. So we're up a cool 1800. So, and it's not even, and I was done like 10:30. So we're gonna see you guys probably whatever. Oh, I have taken trades on Top Step. Top Step is looking pretty good right now. I'm not gonna lie, almost 5K PNL, and I think that's just this month, really. Yeah, it's mostly just this month. 70 for 70% win rate. Average win loss is a 7, which is really good. Best day percent of total profit. That's because I had that 3K day. Profit factor is pretty good. Daily wins pretty good. Mm. Like, look at this curve. I took a payout of that. I took that. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. I lost, and then I had 2, 8. Bam. That shit doesn't matter. What I want to see is the calendar. So, my last video, I think it was around here. So since then, we took a break-even loss, 2 winning days. I didn't trade Wednesday. Thursday was a little. I was going for a winning day and I lost. That's why I got off. Friday, nothing. Yesterday was a break even. It was 2 break evens actually. This was 2 break evens. And then today was the win. So not bad. Not bad. So and then Trade Evade's basically the same thing. Actually, I don't really remember. Let's see this one. I don't think it'll tell me. Yeah. It doesn't tell me the calendar, but losing trades are at 25, winning we're at 4. So P&L right now is 1536. So not bad. Not bad, not good. So yep. And then it's the same for every account for the most part. Yeah. Oh, this is actually a little. Oh no, it's the same. Is it the same? Yeah, for the most part. So yeah, I will see you guys whenever. I mean, like if I just take a winning trade, like if I just go for winning days, um, I don't really know why I'm gonna do a video, but maybe just like maybe at least once a week, just as an update. I could do that. So if I take a trade and it's a win, I'll do a video. If it's a loss, like a $600 loss, I'll do a video. But if I just go for a winning day, regardless if it's a win or a lose, I might not do a video because it's just kind of pointless. But every week we'll do at least one. So we'll see what happens Thursday, Friday. But if I get 700 more dollars, that'd be bam and bam. That would be plus like at least not at least, but maybe like 1,300. So 2814 plus 1,300. That's 4,000. So that's another 2K payout. Plus, if I keep going like this on Alpha Futures, I think I could request a max payout from both these accounts, which will be, let me see actually. Alpha Futures 50K 0 payout rules. I don't know what the max payout is. The minimum, so the maximum on a 50K is 1,500. So that would be 2,000 from Top Step about, plus 1,500 from this, and then plus with the maximum on 100K, which is what I have, is 25. So that would be a $6,000 payout. So, and that would be by Friday. If we get it. If we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. Shit. But yeah. I will see you guys. Did I fix my webcam? I did. I'm shocked. I will see you guys whenever. So, adios.